ඇසල පොහොය නිමිති කරගෙන CCBE Kalutara ශාඛාව මගින් පළමු වරට පවත්වනු ලැබූ සිසිල් බීම සමග බිස්කට් දන්සල ජූලි මාස 24 වන දින සාර්ථකව නිම වුණා.
We are thrilled to share that for the first time ever, the Kalutara team organized a Cold Drinks and Biscuit Dansala to mark Esala Poya. This wonderful initiative was made possible with the support and encouragement of our HR team and the top management. Thank you for always believing us and supporting our ideas. And huge thank goes to the Kalutara entire team for your team spirit and the dedication. Here's to many more milestones together.